Heels elevated assisted deep squat.
Step 1. For this exercise, you will need to find something stable that you can get a good grip on for assistance. The object should be somewhere between navel and chest height. If the object is too high, you won't be able to get all the way down into a passive bottom position. If the object is too low, you won't be able to use your arms to help you up, and you may have a hard time getting up out of the bottom position, or you may feel too much stress or strain on the muscles and joints. Step 2. Elevate your heels on a pair of 5-pound plates or something that is roughly inch thick. Use a heel wedge if you have one. Many gyms do nowadays. If you use a wedge that is too thin, you won't be able to keep an upright torso. If you use a wedge that is too thick, you may feel too much strain on the knees and not enough work in the hamstrings and glutes. Execution. Exhale to find your deep abdominal muscles. Maintaining abdominal tension, inhale as you descend into the squat. Allow your knees to track forward toward the toes. Contrary to what you may have heard, it is okay for the knees to go slightly past the toes as long as you don't experience any pain or discomfort. Try to get all the way down to where the back of your thighs rest against your calf muscles. This position might feel a bit scary or unfamiliar at first, but as long as you don't experience any pain, we want to start getting comfortable with and strengthening the full range of motion, and that means getting all the way down. Exhale and engage your abdominal muscles as you press into the floor to come back to a full standing position. You should feel your whole leg working, quads, hamstrings, and glutes. If you want to make the exercise more challenging, you can use a lighter grip on the bar or use only 1 or 2 fingers. Another way to make the exercise more challenging is to add a 2 to 3 second pause in the bottom position where you allow your muscles to relax before coming back up. If you don't feel comfortable going all the way down just yet, you can use a box or a bench behind you to limit the depth and difficulty to what you're comfortable with, and then progress to the full depth when you're ready. This assisted heels elevated squat variation is the best entry point for beginners to begin building confidence and competence in the squat pattern, while getting exposure to the full range of motion. Holding onto the bar unweights the lower body and reduces the demands on the core musculature, making it easier to do the exercise with proper techniques. Mastering this more basic squat variation will give us a solid foundation to build upon when we're ready to progress to more advanced and demanding squat variations.